If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error code 1, this video will show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and the goal is to get you logged back in as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, you want to clear your cookies and cache. These stored files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, which can trigger login errors on X or Twitter. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected, then clear them completely. Once that is done, close the browser and open it again before trying to sign in. If the error is still happening, the next thing to check is your VPN. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely and try logging in again. Sometimes X blocks certain VPN connections or flags them as unusual, which can cause error code 1. After turning it off, refresh the page and test the login again. If you still can't get in, try switching your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and log in using your mobile data instead. If you were already on mobile data, do the opposite and switch to Wi-Fi. This can help if your current network is being restricted, filtered, or temporarily flagged by X. A different connection often solves the issue immediately. After each change, try signing in again to see if the problem is fixed. In many cases, one of these 3 steps is enough to clear the error and restore access. So remember, clear cookies and cache, disable your VPN, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data until the login works. If this video helped you fix the x.com or Twitter error code 1, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.